Okay, css.lint duplicate properties. So it prevents you from using duplicate properties if you have one. So let me just show you how that would look like. Let's set it to warning for now. And here we have duplicate properties. Now, usually duplicate property is not a good idea. And the reason why the author of this main.css file decided to use duplicate properties is because in some browsers, the Vmax unit is not supported. So what would happen is that you have font size set to 18 points, and if the browser supports the Vmax unit, then the font size would be set to 1 Vmax. But if the browser does not support the Vmax unit, then it would fall back to 18 points. Now, my take on this is that this provides for inconsistent behavior, right? And you either set it to 18 points or 18 pixels or whatever, or 1 Vmax. If you have units that are supported in some browsers but not supported in others, that's a recipe for inconsistent behavior and for mistakes. So in my opinion, I would set this duplicate property setting as an error. That's just my decision. I think that's how I want to develop, and I want to make sure that everything that I develop is consistent across all the browsers and all the operating systems if I'm creating something for the desktop.